Welcome back. Dean here in the beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. And today we're here at the Oasis model. This house was just finished. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,000 square foot home. And it does have, obviously, the in-ground pool. Like our other models, this home also has this built-in TV enclosure with the fireplace, and of course a TV is included. Goes from the top to bottom of the ceiling, and this is all tile. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any other questions, give me a call today and let's discuss your real estate goals. Have an excellent day.